Statement. We are starting a post-COVID care clinic at Hospicio Hospital. It will be here in the old premises every Thursday from 2:30 onwards. We are targeting especially the patients who have been discharged from our South District Hospital, those with mild to moderate COVID, especially those with comorbidities. So our aim is to give them a comprehensive care treatment, because as per the guidelines of national protocol that we have received, Ayush and Yoga is being promoted for post-COVID care management, and we have received the directives from even from Health Ministry. So we will have a comprehensive package. We will be providing care by the physician, by the pulmonologist, by the physiotherapist. In addition, we will be having Ayush doctors giving Ayush medications and yoga therapy also. So it's a comprehensive care for all our patients who are post-COVID care sufferers. As you may be aware, some people don't make a very quick recovery. They are long haulers. They have also other comorbidities, diabetes, hypertension, and other medical conditions which require them to be seen by a physician. So we are planning to give a comprehensive plan. They will also receive laboratory facilities, X-ray, and we will also be giving CT scan facility for those of them who require it. So that will be decided by the physicians once they have a look at the patient. So every Thursday I would like the public who can make avail of this facility to come forward at 2:30 on Thursday.
So I'll be coordinating the post-COVID-19 care clinic at Hospicio Hospital, Margao. So this clinic basically is a plan for a follow-up, continued medical care of all the recovered COVID patients. So all the patients that have discharged from the COVID hospitals will be requested to come to our COVID care clinic on completion of 17 days from the day of testing. So all the patients who have completed 17 days of isolation and treatment have to come to the hospital. Here, as doctor said, it is an integrated approach for overall holistic well-being of the patient, where we have integrated modern medical science, treatment, lab investigations, along with the Ayurveda, yoga, naturopathy, and chest physiotherapy. There is a term called a long COVID, because in patients with high risk and those with comorbidities, it is observed that it takes more than 3 to 4 weeks, at times up to 6 weeks for recovery. So the follow-up of these patients and proper treatment of these patients is very important. So that is the reason we have combined continued medical care and follow-up with the X-ray and addition of Ayurvedic medications for immune enhancement and yoga for management of stress and anxiety of these patients, and a proper lifestyle advice which includes diet and other breathing exercises, and for a good lung health we have included chest physiotherapy. So these are the highlights of our clinic, and it will function once a week. It's a weekly OPD on Thursdays in the afternoons 2 to 4:30. So admission, once the patient arrives to the hospital, they have to register themselves. If they do not have a case sheet, they have to make a case sheet, register. We have a special registration form on which we will assess what is the condition and what is the follow-up that is required. So basically the chest physician, the medicine consultant will first have a look at the patient, they will consult the patient, and there will be follow-up for Ayurvedic medications and lifestyle advice, naturopathy, yoga, and physiotherapy accordingly.